Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to turn off location in Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. First of all, please open Google Chrome on your device. And then here you can click on the option in the upper right corner. Okay, after that you can select Settings. And then here you can scroll down. Okay, after that please select Site Settings. And then you can click Location here. After that you can turn it off like this. Okay, and then the location feature in your Google Chrome is successfully turned off. That's the tutorial on how to turn off location in Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.